Yo. Decided and take a trade today. Let's do the analysis first. So we're still reaching for this weekly high, and we have daily liquidity right there. Then we look on the daily, and we see that on the daily we actually broke structure right here. So on the daily we're actually bearish right now. Let's remove all this. Alright, so on the daily we're actually bearish right now. So we're still reaching for this weekly high, because on the weekly we're actually bullish. So in a few weeks we're still breaking structure, probably back to the upside on the daily again. But now on the daily we're actually bullish. So what does that mean? It means a weekly retracement. So that's what I've marked out. So right there is equilibrium. And we look under equilibrium right there, and we see a nice survey gap right there. So we mark that out. That's where market at least wants to go. So remove equilibrium. So on the daily we're bearish, and on the 4 hour we're actually bearish as well. So we now know that we're probably looking for shorts, because we want to take short into this weekly retracement. So yeah, on the 4 hour we're actually bearish as well. 2 hour we're actually bullish right now, but we were bearish right there. The 1 hour we're actually bearish as well. 30 minute we were bullish. So that's where we broke structure, and that means on the 1 hour we're bullish, or we're bearish, and on the 30 minute we're bullish. So that's what I marked out right here. So I go to the 1 hour and I look for 1 hour equilibrium right there. If this marked out, then I go to the 30 minute, maybe even more, maybe even more, maybe even more, and I look for a survey gap. And on the 50 minute this looks really clean survey gap, like right above equilibrium. And maybe on the 10 minute I'll do it like right here. That's where market wants to go. Maybe you can get a cleaner one. Yeah, just have it like right there. 10 minute. We don't get any better survey gap. Let's leave it like that. Alright, so 1 hour we're actually bearish, 30 minute we're bullish, so we're looking to go into this survey gap right there. So right there, there was in pre-market. We already right there, so we already used the survey gap. Oh, that's why I use this 10 minute. That's why I use this survey gap to even fill up more, because this huge survey gap didn't get filled all the way. We still wanted to get like more orders in, or still more people to get out of their position. So there's like a bigger survey gap right there. So that's why I had it right there. And then I have this, and I look for 10 minute liquidity and a order block or some sort. So I look for any bullish, I don't know what to call it, like an order block for a market to go down. So that means a bearish order block, I think. That's probably the best name for it. So I look right here, pre-market. We never broke structure right here. We broke structure right here, so there's a 30 minute order block right there. That's where we first broke structure. So you can see we actually react off this order block. I didn't even see this, so that's why I mark it. I didn't even see this. This is the first time I'm seeing it. But yeah, we have this order block. Maybe if I only looked right here in this order block, so, or not really an order block, but oh damn. So where did we break structure? On the 1 hour we're actually bearish. The here we were bullish, so right here is an order block as well. So like 2 days wicks, and there was actually a pretty big order block. So what I wanted to do was actually zoom in where we, or no, yeah. Now I see why I did the trade wrong. Oh yeah, I saw this actually. So on the 5th minute I saw this big candle. It's like, I don't know if this was news. It wasn't news, but this looks like a wick. Like all this liquidity got taken out. Not really liquidity, but still I want to look right there at that wick, like right there. That's where I broke structure again. Look, we're in a downtrend right here because we broke structure right there, and all this wick like took out all these people. So I look for this order block, so right there. So at this marked out, then I go to the 10-minute highs because we want market to go down. We're bearish on the daily, 4 hour, 2 hour, 1 hour. So we're looking for shorts. So we look for any kind of liquidity sweep. So at this marked out, right there. Let's move that. This marked out, and then mark this out. So this is what I had. I had this marked out, and I want to see a liquidity sweep right here, and then I break a structure, and that will be a reaction of the order block. But I also wanted to this was the best one to sweep out. I wanted this one to, even if we were here and got a break structure here, I wanted at least this to get taken out, and then it will also be a reaction of this for value gap. But let's go to market opening right now. So right here, so you can see we actually took out this liquidity right there, and we were actually bullish right here. So we actually got up right here and we broke all the structure. So we broke here, 10-minute structure, even 50-minute structure there, 20-minute structure. So we're bullish from there. So look, you can see respected this, but we're not there yet. So market swept this, but I still had this in mind, like this breaker structure doesn't mean anything. Right here doesn't mean anything because we're still bearish. So what we do again is we react off this for value gap right here. So this is marked out on the 5-minute right there. I see, yeah, we respected like right there, like really good respect. This marked out, so you can see better. 1 minute. So right here, and we have another breaker structure, and then I look for another for value gap. So there was no for value gap right there. No for value gap really right there. Look right there. That's where I actually could have entered the trade, but I didn't because I had no 10-minute liquidity sweep. That's what I wanted to see, and it was only a reaction of a for value gap. I want to see a liquidity sweep, so that's why I didn't take this trade. It could have been a win because if I because this is a reaction of a for value gap, so it's bearish, and here's another reaction of a for value gap that's also bearish. So you could have short right here and like had stopped like I don't know above here, above the for value gap, and you could target right here, and that will be a great win. But I didn't take this because I wanted to see market at least take out 10-minute liquidity, and it didn't even take out 7-minute liquidity, didn't even take out 5-minute liquidity, didn't, yeah, probably took out, yeah, like look, this was the liquidity point for me right there, and it didn't even take that out. I don't know what's it was on other charts, didn't even take that out on here as well. This is like a bad chart. Took out that, and right there it didn't, so there it didn't as well. So yeah, no liquidity sweep, so that's why I didn't enter the trade, but it could have been a win, but that doesn't matter because that's not my trading plan. But what market did was it swept this low again, or swept this low actually, and then it broke structure and went all the way up. But that's what I wanted to see, because I wanted to see a reaction of this order block and for value gap. So what did we do right here? This was, by the way, it was really bad right there, or this. It wasn't really great. Market open, and we had unemployment claims today. I think that's why market like was a bit not really choppy, but actually kind of was. Look, not really good movement right here, and this is like this is 1 hour. So like 1 hour at like chopness, or I don't know what to call it, but consolidation. So yeah, so we swept this 10-minute high right there. What am I doing? So we finally sweep 10-minute high right there. I see right there, but yeah, also have a reaction of this order block, by the way, and this 10-minute high right there that we marked out as well. But I was already off the charts right here because I saw this. I didn't really got anything that I wanted. I was like off the charts, maybe like right here or something. I don't even know. This took way too long for me, so that's why I was off the charts, and I was just thinking like just just to let it go and see it tonight. No trade for today. But what we do here is actually we sweep this 10-minute high, and we actually get a break structure. Yeah, right there. Yeah. So if you can see break structure right there, but barely tap into the order block. So yeah, you get stopped out right there. So probably I wouldn't even have taken this trade. It would have been a loss probably, but because of unemployment claims, I was already off the charts. I didn't want to take a trade. But yeah, didn't want this, and then I saw this as well, but it didn't even come into this Survey gap, so that's why I wanted to wait more. It reached so close to this other 10-minute high that it was like, just wait for this 10-minute high, don't take a trade yet. This is where we want market to see, right? So this is the 10-minute high, so we're aiming for this, and then we go here and we go all the way through this Survey gap that we wanted to see a reaction of. Like, we wanted to see market go over here and like a wick into there and then go all the way down. But what market did was fully disrespect this Survey gap, and it did get a reaction off here. Like, it didn't even tap into this 30-minute order block, but maybe on some other charts it did. But market went down right there and actually respected this Survey gap. Or not, yeah, maybe on another time frame, but it respected some sort of Survey gap right here. And then right here, maybe this is where I could have taken a trade, because we finally saw a tap into this 30-minute order block, but I only saw that order block like in this recording. But still, look right there, boom, on the break of structure right there, that's right there. So, and above this, and then you see like 600, so we go 700 pips. Where do you target? Where's the first target? Right there, because it's already, oh, actually isn't long. Where do you target? Like this order block or something, like right there, or I don't even know, right there, right there. It's probably gonna hit those, but this could have been a trade, I think. But yeah, I saw that TJR made money right here. He took this trade, like I think it was off a break of structure, like right here, and then 700 or something. Maybe this was his trade. I know he made some money somewhere here, I think. So yeah, it was a trade that was valid, or actually was good, but it didn't have any sort of liquidity sweep. Maybe you will make a video of it, of this trade, but I don't really see anything in here. Maybe that's what I'm missing, or what I still need to learn, but I don't see any liquidity sweep or something from pre-market. So maybe he took the trade because of reacted of this, but still no liquidity sweep or somewhere. But still, yeah, so no trade for me today. Didn't see a setup. Thought it was like bad market condition as well, and yeah, so took no trade today. So yeah, I'm gonna be trading tomorrow, London session actually. So I got into London session, I got nothing. Like, there's unemployment rate, no farm employment change, so these are like pretty bad actually. Forecast was the same here, so nothing really there, but it was good for the SP right here. But I'm gonna trade tomorrow in London session. I have never done that before, but I hope it's somewhere same as I trade normal, but we'll see. It's still all on a demo account, so I'm still learning. But I'm not trading New York session tomorrow because I'm going on vacation tomorrow, and I won't be trading for like a whole week. Maybe I will be trading because I have my iPad with me. So maybe here and there I'll take some trades, but I won't be recording, so you guys won't see anything from me for a week. So like, yeah, 1 week and a half, because I'm going tomorrow on Friday, coming back on Friday next week. So well, I'll be back next Friday, or next Friday, yeah, next week Friday, but then at like 11 p.m. So So yeah, we can already start it then, by then, and won't trade for that weekend also because it's weekend. So I'll be trading on the 14th again, probably. So yeah, tomorrow last trade. It'll be a live trade again, and yeah, live trade again. Yeah, that's it. So I'll see you guys tomorrow again. Bye.